Let's do this cute and quick Valentine's Day look. For this look, I'm thinking more of pinks, dark reds. I think that we're gonna stay on that track of like the burgundies with a lot of glitter, very Valentine's-esque. I'm not a person that really likes too much like vivid reds and vivid colors, especially for makeup. I like more muted tones. For this, we are going to be using my Natasha Denona Retro palette. I think that this palette has a lot of nice, beautiful colors in it. We are going to incorporate most of these colors into our makeup look. I'm thinking of doing dark, like a smoky eye, putting this on the actual crease. This is one of my favorite products, the One Size Eye Popper. So this is the Sparkle Vision eyeshadow, and this is in Everything and More. I love this. It's so pretty, but we're gonna try to get a little bit creative with this. Well, I think it'll be a lot of fun. Let's do my base and let's get started. I wish I was one of those people that puts on their base after eye makeup, but I can't do it. This is my first time using the House Labs cream blush. I love blush. I'll bring her even up into my temple because I think it snatches your face up so nicely. Let's see how this blends. I'm really excited. It's like nice and creamy. I mean, not bad. Like it's very subtle. Really nice, actually. This seems like a blush that you'd like probably blend in with your fingers more than anything. Oh, I gotta be careful. My baby's sleeping on me, so I can't whack him with my elbow. Let me cover his face. Let me spray my face. If I could find it. I want to see what I'm working with here. There's a lot of stuff. Now I'm going to seal it with a powder and I'm going to put on a powder blush. I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Translucent. I love this powder. It is awesome because it does have like micro glitter in it. So you look like Edward Cullen.
Nani?
All the time. Oh, fudge. I just messed up my... Oops. Okay, no problem. So I'm going to be using the... I keep fucking it up. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's in my nail. That's okay. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty in Riri. I'm literally just gonna... Because these are very pigmented.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
I'm 100% blush blind.
I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
This is the Brow Kiki, and this is, I believe, in dark brown, black brown. I've always done 2016 brows, but since being a mom, this is a little bit faster. So it'll do. That'll do.
That'll do, donkey. That'll do.
I started on my right eye, and we are going to be using the Rebellion, which is fantastic. And the reason I started on my right eye is because I didn't realize that I wasn't recording. So here we go. I'm just going to take my little blending brush and I'm going to pat it. And then I'm going to bring it into the inner corner. And if you really wanted to pack this pigment on, I would 100% use a concealer as a base or like some kind of like white eye base like LA Colors has. And I know this is a blending brush, but I kind of use it for everything. This is super pretty. I love this color. I feel like my pink hair and my red hair would have definitely vibed with this a lot.
Lady in red.
With the same brush, I'm going to take a color that's a little bit lighter. So I'm looking at Go-Go here. So this is like a nice taupey pink, but you can see the obvious difference. They're almost on the same color spectrum here, but we are going to use it just to blend out. And I know I'm getting really close to my brow. I do want that look. I'm just blending out the harshness from the Rebellion color. Who is she? In order to deepen this a little bit, I'm just gonna add this Apart color here. Dab, dab. And I'm just gonna tap her and do a little one of these, like a little, just to deepen it. I'm gonna swap my brush out now. I'm gonna be using a flatter brush now. I do use this for my glitter, like my one size, but I'm going to use this with this color Swing here. There is really pretty like violet shimmer in this, so I am going to just literally dab and then kind of pat it because I want to create like a gradient effect here. If you break your eye into 1, 2, 3, 4, it's gonna go in the 3/4 here because we put the dark one in the 4. Now the fun part, I'm going to be using the one size and I'm just gonna put this in my inner crease here. I don't want to put too much because I am going to go over it with another glitter shadow. I'm going to take that same brush because why not? Just make sure you look glittery evenly. I'm going to go back into this palette. We're going to use Psychedelic here in the middle. Beautiful color. I'm going to take my pinky and I'm going to use her. This is kind of giving like an illusion of a cut crease, but it's just because the glitter is so heavily pigmented, which is really nice. We love that. I want to make sure you look even on both sides. You don't want to look crazy on Valentine's Day. Every other day, it doesn't matter. But Valentine's Day, does it matter? Not really. You can look crazy whenever you want. At this point, I personally love winged eyeliner. You can use a black liner, you can use a brown liner, you can use a red liner, whatever you have. I have this, I used to have the Kat Von D colored liners. They looked fantastic, but I'm going to be using this Love Liner liquid, and this is actually from Japan when we went on our trip. It is a burgundy eyeliner. Use any color that you have. You do not have to use burgundy. I'm just going to use burgundy for the sake of the look. We're going to clean this look up, so we're going to do our eyeliner first. I prefer my winged liner to start like in the 2/3 of my eye. I don't bring it into the inner corner of my eye anymore. I just don't like that look. That's personally like how I feel about it. And just fill her in like a little coloring book. Beautiful, stunning, gorgeous. You can stop now if you'd like. If you're not like an adventurous person, you don't have to continue to, you know, make your makeup look like somebody that you're not. I am gonna clean up the bottom here. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of my concealer. I use the Naya Blend by Toy Factory. I'm just gonna put a little dab. We're gonna take her clean. I personally, depends on how I feel, do like a good bottom liner. Sometimes I don't. If I'm going out at night, I'll definitely do a bottom liner just because it looks a little bit more sultry. But if I'm going out in the daytime, I'll just keep it like this, probably with extra lashes. I typically will not do the cluster lashes and then put lashes on top of it, but these are a little bit short for my taste. I just put them on to feel like a normal human being because I don't really wear makeup every day now with my little baby because I don't have time to. We gotta, tummy time prioritizes makeup. I want to do like little hearts around my eyes here. I am going to take that concealer that I had and I'm just going to use this little thin baby pencil. And I'm just going to do little hearts. And just remember, you're having fun. This does not have to be 100% perfect. I'm going to use eyelash glue. I'm just going to outline the heart. We're going to try our best to make it into that heart shape. I'm actually going to use a pencil. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be cute. So I am going to go in and do a bottom liner. This is super bent. Don't judge me. I don't know why, but it's bent. And we are going to use Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. These are one of my favorite pencils. They have so many colors, beautiful. This one is in Love Drug. It's a little bit more of a purple. So we're gonna use this and then we're gonna go over with the same color that we went into our crease with. So I'm gonna go back in with Natasha and we are going with our Rebellion here and just kind of smoke it out a little bit here. This is what we got. I hope that you guys enjoyed. This is really cute. Sorry for the intermission. It's very difficult when you have a little baby. One of these. Who's balding in the back? One of these little bald-headed things. It's really difficult to film videos. I don't want to kiss him because I'm going to get him dirty. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you try this out. Let me know if you would change something, but I think that this is really cute, simple. Take care, be well, stay blessed, and see you on the next one. Bye. My best friend made this for me, and I just freaking love it.